Welcome! It's a great day to be a miner. In today's video, we have some amazing new hardware to open, we've got some swag, and we got some great merch from TekShinji, ChumpChange, and the Misfit Mining community. So without further ado, let's spin that intro. Pew! Hey, we got a lot of cool new stuff to open. Let's tear into it. Over here, we got some used GPUs, we got a mining rig frame, we got some exciting stuff from Misfit Mining and from TekShinji. What else we got? We got some swag from DogeLord Apparel, you're gonna like it, and a little t-shirt from EVGA. But let's just go ahead and tear into this. Let's start with our apparel first, because I haven't even got to look at these. I've opened them, but I haven't even really checked them out yet, so let's look at them live together. All right, so this one is our EVGA Apparel. This is what I got for signing up for the Elite program and spinning the wheel. Most people get a nifty, nice discount code to use with a GPU or other hardware, which would be much better than getting a t-shirt, but free is free. So let's see what we got. On the back, we got the nice EVGA logo, and on the front, it is the new audio. It's not bad. It's a free t-shirt. It's actually a pretty good thickness. It feels like a good material. Let's move on. All right, this one I'm actually excited about. This one came from DogeLord Apparel. Make sure to check him out. Links in the description. Check out all of his amazing merchandise. You won't be disappointed. Let's look and see what we got. I was actually bugging DogeLord Apparel for this specific item, and I had been waiting for it, and as soon as it dropped, I ordered it, and now it's been sitting around waiting for me to get around to this opening. So let's take a look at this thing. Oh man, that feels like a nice quality material right there. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, that is a nice quality zip up hoodie. See if we can get a better view of this thing. Ooh, yeah. How's that? Misfit Mining. They have a few variations. They have the writing on the sleeve, they have the chump change, they have the pocket change edition. This is the plain Misfit Mining. It is a super nice, very good quality, nice price. Highly recommended. Make sure to pop over there and pick one up. All right, now that we got our swag open, let's check this out. I got a special delivery directly from ChumpChangeXD. Link in the description for his channel. Make sure to go check it out. Here is the official Misfit Mining decal and the ChumpChange logo. These are beautiful, and the way you can get these is you order a set of the GPU hangers, and he will include these stickers, or at least one of these. I'm not sure if he includes both with every purchase. Make sure to jump into our Discord and check that out. Next, this one came really professional with a nice little included letter. Congratulations, you just got the first ever batch of TekShinji fish stickers. Please do not tell people about this post until July 1st. Well, it just turned July 1st about 10 minutes ago, TekShinji. This allows for the shipping delays. However, if you want to tell people or post them, make sure to show them in the proper lighting and to accent his beautiful logo as it stands. Let's take a look and see what they actually look like. Oh man, I'm gonna have to break out the RGB knife just to open the stickers. All right, let's see what these things look like. These things should probably be numbered since they're limited edition first run, but we're gonna open these up and see what we got. Oh man, these are nice. Oh man, I hope I have good enough lighting for this. Let's see here. Let me pull it over here and see if I can get a little bit of a better lighting on this angle over here with the light directly on it. We'll do a little zoom action on the editing and take a nice close-up look. These are beautiful. High quality. This is a beautiful made sticker. This is a lot better of a quality than the ones I just got printed up, but these are nice. All right, enough of the small talk, the apparel, the stickers. Let's dig into the hardware because that's what we care about. Hardware, hardware, hardware. So 3 of these boxes contain GPUs. This guy does not. This pickup is a mining rig frame. It's an 8 GPU frame, and I picked it up off of eBay for only $40 brand new. These have been selling at about 80 bucks, and prices are coming down. Keep an eye on the used market and the new market. Just watch your prices. Before you buy, make sure to compare in the market and see what prices actually should be before you make any big mining purchases right now. Let's actually open this thing because I'm really curious. It's super light. Like a frame should not be, this is probably only like 4 pounds, if that. Let's check that out. I stand corrected. This frame in box as is, 4 pounds, 14 ounces. I was close. I thought it was about 4 pounds, but let's open it up and see what it's like. I have a feeling it's like this cheap frame back here behind me, but it should be an 8 card. So let's see what it looks like in the box. Cheap, 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 but that's okay. 40 bucks for a mining rig frame, 8 card. You cannot beat that price. I'd like to open it better than that. Let's open it this way. Let's take a look in the box. What's in the box? All right. Let's see. Oh boy, I guess it's a little heavier one-handed. All right, so right off the bat, what do we got? I see the power button. There is a support bracket. Man, that is flimsy metal. It's already even got a little bend in it. It is really thin metal. But what do you expect for 40 bucks? People have been paying $80 for this exact frame, so. There is the outsides of our frame. That's our top support. There's our middle. And here's an additional bracket with the actual screws and hardware wrapped around there. It does come with a little cheapo push button toggle switch. And then of course our bottom tray. Nothing fancy, plain tray. It is longer. It is definitely an 8 card. So hey, 40 bucks is 40 bucks. That's a heck of a deal. I'll take that all day long. I'm sure this will actually take me a few minutes to actually assemble because of course, no instructions, so you just kind of got to figure out. And this one actually has a ton of holes and a ton of options, so I'm gonna have to eye it up, and that probably is gonna take me like an hour to put this little guy together, but that's okay. Let's move on. All right, next, time for the exciting part. We got a GPU here, we got a GPU here, we got 2 here. These are new. This one contains 2 used GPUs that I got from a very credible source. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what it looks like. It should be, these, like I said, are used. These aren't the brand new 30 series or the 6000 series. These are both 20 series. There's number 1. And here is number 2. These are supposed to be the same card, so I'm guessing he just had these boxes laying around, or they were even shipped in these boxes, and that's what he sent to me. So let's just take a look at what's in this one. Is there a GPU in there? Yeah, just a phone block. Is it in there? Is it in there? All right, that's a good start. GPU is included. All right, let's open this thing. Very well packaged. Looks like a quality item. Very nice. EVGA RTX 2060 Super. This card right here will hash at about 42 to 44 mega hash all day. Very solid quality card. If you can find any 2060 Supers, at a good price, or even a 2070 Super. You're probably gonna pay a little bit of extra premium on that. I highly advise to pick up the 2060 Super, 2070 Super. Good hashing cards. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the next one. And let's see what's in this one. Should be the exact same card. Let's see. There it is, very well packaged. And I greatly appreciate it that it is well packaged. And there we are, RTX 2060 Super EVGA, a very quality card. Here, hold on. Okay, that's the best way to test a used card to make sure that it actually is working right. You take your finger and you do a little Panda Fan spin, and that's how you can tell if you bought a quality used item. Let's jump on to the new GPUs, because those are the exciting ones. And let's make all this junk disappear. That was pretty easy. All right, let's open these new GPUs. I've got two here. I don't know which one is which. Eeny, meeny, miny, you're getting opened first. Let's open this one up. These are both brand new. They are both directly from the manufacturer. They were both picked up at MSRP, or at least at their MSRP. All right, this one's the pretty one. EVGA. This is an EVGA RTX 3070 Ti for the Win 3 edition. That is a beautiful card. It's a lot of weight to that. That is a nice card. I know it's a Ti, and I know it is Ethereum hash rate limited. It is an LHR card, as are all 3070 Ti. Keep that in mind before paying an extraordinary amount for one of the 3070 or 3080 Ti models, because they are LHR. Beautiful card. Can't wait to get this in the test bench and get it hashing and get all the nerdy numbers for you. Next, this one. This one is a direct from the manufacturer. This is not direct from the AIB partners. I'm kind of excited because this is my first one of these I have ever had. I've never had one of these model cards. Oh, ha 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 ha. Boy, that is a hefty piece of card right there. This is the RX 6800 AMD reference model. I picked this up from AMD's website. I believe it was around $600, and it is brand spanking new. I've never had a 6800, but I know they hash at just over what a 3060 Ti and a 3070 would. It's probably in the mid to low 60 mega hash range. I'm pretty excited about this one because this one's going to be fun. I'm going to hook it up, throw it in the test rig, and then I'm going to get all the nerdy numbers on it, and then I'll move it into my AMD 5700/6700 XT rig, and then we're going to have a 6800 in there, so that's going to be fun. So I guess that's all of them, unfortunately. But don't worry, I got more already ordered. I've got more graphics cards on the way. I got more hardware on the way. I got a CPU, I got a Mobo, I got some other amazing hardware on the way. I will be unboxing them. I will be sharing them with you, and I appreciate you coming. Let's hop over into our outro. Well, there you have it, some amazing new hardware. We got some new GPUs. I can't wait to get these things on the test bench and get them mining on all the different algorithms and get you the different nerdy numbers. Make sure to pop over into DogeLord to get some of the great merch that you have seen in this video. If you're new to mining or you need some assistance, make sure to pop over into the Misfit Mining Discord. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Smash that like button and subscribe for future content. Thanks for coming along and enjoy the ride. Pew!